Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Useful DIY Challenge. Roping Edition. Yes, I'm so excited. Hosted by Mom from MomDas Live Handmade and Tracey from Secondhand Tracey Ann. And they wanted us to make a project using rope and I'm so excited. And I'm using, yes, paint sticks. I know those steering sticks from Walmart are awesome and I'm going to show you what we're going to make with it. We're going to use also a knife and some blue paint from Waverly. Also our glue gun. So, let me show you. I want to make a tabletop ladder. So let's get started. First, we're going to take our sticks and we're going to measure the other sticks. I know, that's weird. But we're going to measure them so we can cut the axis and we have our steps for our ladder. After we do that, you see I'm tilting my base sticks a little bit because I don't want them to be straight. I want them to be like a triangle shape. And now I'm playing with my sticks so I know how I want my steps for the ladder. I'm using hot glue and let me assure you, hot glue, it's awesome for this project because that won't become undone no matter what. It works a little bit better than any other glue for that project. I'm painting my ladder in that blue color, Waverly Chalk paint, and I'm gonna give it just one coat of that blue chalk paint. One coat is more than enough, but just remember to cover all of the sides of your ladder. I'm not covering the back part, but I'm covering the sides, so if something shows, it won't show the wood color. After you have it, all of it painted, we're gonna let it dry. And then we're gonna move on to our second color, that's burnt umber. And I'm gonna give it a dry brush effect on my ladder, and after I finish dry brushing it, you see it's just a light dry brush. After I finish with that dry brushing, I'm gonna come back and use a sponge like that to make it look like the paint is chipping on the edges of my ladder. I love that technique because it looks like paint is really old. Now I'm giving it some more distressing on the edges and in the center of my wood steps. Now I'm using some white to give it a bit of a white dry brush, not a lot, just a little bit of white. And I'm gonna start adding my rope. I know you cannot see it right now. I don't know what happened with my camera in this clip, but I will show you in a couple of seconds how I'm making it. But I'm crisscrossing my rope and tying the ends of my ladder with my rope. Let me show you. Let me finish with that corner and I will show you. And now let me show you how I made it. I made it like that, crisscrossing that rope in the edges of my ladder. It gives it a nautical, more rustic effect to the ladder. That's how it looks. Now we're gonna decorate it, and I'm making 2 tassels to decorate the ends of my ladder. And I'm tying the 2 tassels together because that will go on the top part of my ladder. Now like that, I'm making the 2 of them and tying them together with a little bit of space. And as you can see, we're done. I'm making the last tassel and that's how they look. I'm gonna try to add this garland, but I won't like it. So I will continue to add my succulents and my wreath. And I will add a little bit more later so you would see it right now. That's it. Let me show you. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, this is what I added. This mason jar over here, and this love sign over here. This is how it looks. There are the succulents, my wreath, and my tassels over here. I love it. It looks so beautiful. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Mom and Tracey for bringing us this awesome challenge. I just love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.